Hi children, before session already we are discussing Indian place value system. Now this session we are discussing the writing a numerals. Okay. Now before session Indian system place values it will be become ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. Okay. Ones is having only one, 10 is having smallest 2-digit number. And 100 is having smallest 3-digit number, 1000 is having smallest 4-digit number, and 10,000 is having smallest 5-digit number, lakhs is having smallest 6-digit number, and 10 lakhs is having smallest 7-digit number. See, place values we learn. Now how to write the numerals? Numerals meaning what? Whatever number they gave, we have to, according to the place values, we have to arrange, and we will keep the zeros in between to the according to the place values. Okay. Now see the children. First, writing numerals. Writing numerals. See, for example, second one, next third one, fourth one, like this numbers he gave, we don't know how to read the numbers. First one 3, 4, 5, 6 is there. Next one 4, 7, 0, 8, 3. Third one 9, 8, 3, 2, 1, 5. The next one 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one 8, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 2. See, like this he gave. How to read the numbers? We don't know. Now we have to, this one numbers according to the place values we will arrange in the Indian place value system. See here, first one, what I told, whenever giving the place values you have to place values right from right to left. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. This is the place value. See, draw lines. Five numbers are there, 5 sums are there. I draw the 5 line. First one from 6. 6 goes to ones place. Next again 5. Next 4 and 3. See, these both two are thousands place. These both two are lakhs period. These two are thousands period. These two are lakhs place. Lakhs and 10 lakhs are lakhs period. Thousands and 10,000s are thousands period. Ones, tens, hundreds are ones period. Next, second question. First one is 3. Next one 8. Next one 0, 7 and 4. Okay. Next one. First place ones place 5. Next 1, 2, 3, 8 and 9. Okay. Next one, fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4. Till here 10 lakhs came. Now 4 is having 10 lakhs place. Again this one, fifth one, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3 and 8. Listen, what he gave in the numbers we will arrange according to the Indian place value system. Okay, now see how to read the numbers. I will say now. See here, 3 is having 1000 spirit is having only 3. This one we have to read as 3456. How to write the numerical number? Write numerals. Numerals. See here. First one, always one split period, only one period, 3 digits count from right to left, keep commas. Then again, after one period, started 1000 period. 3 is having which period? 1000 period. That's why beside 3, I kept a comma. Next one, 3. Till one period, only one comma, 1, 2, 3. Then again 1000 period is having 2000 periods. Lakhs is didn't come. Till here only is there. That's why only keep one comma. Next one. See, one period is which one is having one period? 5 to 1. 5 to 1 is having one period. 1000 period is 8 and 3. 83 is having 1000 spread. 9 is having lakh spread, that is leave it. How much we have to read this one? 9,83,215. We will read as 9,83,215. Next one, see. Next one, listen. First one spread, which one is there? 1, 2, 3 is there. 1, 2, 3. Next one, 5 and 4 and 5. 4 and 5 both together 1000 period. 4 and 5 1000 period. 4 and 5 1000 period. Key comma. 4 and 3 lakh spread. Before lakh spread, this period is not there. That's why it will be become a place value not there. That it will be become n to the 43. We should read as ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs. How many lakhs are there? 43 lakhs. 54,321. Then how much is one more time? 43 lakhs 54,321. Next one. See, one spirit, which one? 2, 5, 4 is one spirit. 2 and 1 is 1000 spirit. 83 is a lakh spirit. This one will read as 83 lakhs 21,542. This is the writing a numerals in Indian system. Okay, writing numerals in a Indian system. One more thing is how to write the number names. You have to write. Next one is next topic is writing numbers. First, before numbers, place values I will explain one more time. See here, example. This one he gave. Now, according to this one, we will arrange the Indian place values of in Indian system. We will arrange place value in Indian system. First one is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Okay, C1, 8, 5. Whenever we are arranging place values, from right to left we have to arrange 5, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 5. See, one place is having only 1, that is a 8. 8 is ones, meaning what? 1 in 8 into 1. Next one is tens place. Tens place is 5 into tens place. 10 is having into 10, 1, 0. Okay. Next one is hundreds. How many hundreds are there? 2. 2 into 100. Next one, thousands. How many thousands are there? 3. 3 into thousands. 3 into thousands. 3 is having thousand spread. That is 3 into 100. Next one is 10,000. How many are there? 6. 6 into 10,000. Next lakhs. Lakhs is how many lakhs? 9 lakhs. 9 into lakhs. Then 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs is 5. 5 into 10 lakhs. Okay. See now children again. 8 is a ones place. 8 is a ones place. That's why I wrote into 8 into 1. 5 is a tens place. That is a 8 into 10. 5 into 10. 2 is a 100. How many hundreds are there? 2 into 100. Then 3 into 100. Thousands. Sorry, 3 is in a thousands place. 3 into thousands. Then 6 is a 10,000s place. 6 into 10,000. Then 9 into lakhs place. That is a 9 into lakhs. Then again 5 into 10 lakhs. That is the 10 lakh place value. Okay, children. Next place we will discussing about the number names and expanded form in figures. Both three topics I have explained next session. Okay, thank you.